должны стрелять.
Ukrainian government troops carried out military drills near the eastern town of Harbylar amid reports of renewed fighting in the Donbas region. The exercises on February 2nd took place as OSCE monitors reported fresh violations of the latest ceasefire. It was struck in December between government forces and Russia-backed separatists. The OSCE did not say which side had initiated the new fighting. Separatist fighters were also engaged in training exercises on February 3rd in eastern Ukraine's Luhansk region. The Ukrainian government press center for the region said that Russian officers had visited the separatist training camp to observe the military drills.